What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn your post notifications. Today, we're going to be unboxing the Tpob Blackout. There it is right there, y'all. I kind of teased it in my previous vlog, but today we're actually going to get it behind the chair and use it on a client. We're going to use the trimmer, we're going to use the shaver, and we're going to use the clipper all on one client, only using these tools here. So stay tuned, lock in. Let's get to this unboxing and review.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
So before we get to the haircut, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. We got the Tpob Blackout. Right here, you have a trimmer, shaver, single foil shaver, and a clipper. We're gonna go ahead and open this up. But before we do that, you got the Tpob branding, the slime. We got some cartoon artwork that is very iconic to the Tpob brand. Same, the opposite side of the Tpob logo with the slime as well. And more cartoon work there. On the back side, we do have the Tpob Blackout contents, 1 hair clipper, 4 black guards, 3, 6, 9, and 12 millimeter oil clean brush, manual blade protector, USB cable, 1 hair trimmer, protection cap, cleaning brush, oil, USB cable, manual, 1 foil shaver, anti-allergy foil, protection cap, USB cable, cleaning brush, manual, the Blackout hair clipper, hair trimmer, foil shaver, and just more instructions on that right there. We can't open this up here and let you guys see what we got inside. So this is just a little magnetic flip top here. On the inside, we do have more cartoon artwork. Like I said, it's very iconic to the brand. If you go to the Anti-Social Barber Club page on IG, you can see a lot of the cartoon work that he does for memes, barber memes and stuff like that. But we got the Tpob Ghost X, we got the Tpob Mini Skull, and the Tpob Reaper. So on this Tpob Ghost X here, you could take off this little cap. So it's a skeletonized type trimmer. You can take off this protective cap here for the actual blade, the blade cover. We have the Tpob X, which is a DLC blade for the trimmer. We're going to take this little rubber piece out here. And all that does is stop you from turning the trimmer on and off. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. It's got a green LED light. Turns red when the actual trimmer is dead, but it's a very quiet trimmer. But I will tell you, it is a very powerful trimmer. I've used a rendition of this before. You had the slime one. So we're gonna go ahead and put this to work behind the chair. We'll put this aside for now. And another thing is that this is not zero gap. It is fairly close, but not zero gap. And we're gonna use it straight out the box like this. Now, this right here, I did do a review on recently, and I'll let you guys see this. And this is the Tpob Mini Skull. I showed you guys the 3 different colorways that are going to release, but this is just a single foil. It's got the gold anti-allergy foil. You can pop this lid off here and see the actual foil underneath. Put that back on, and we'll turn it on. Green LED light, very powerful. But I'm looking forward to using this behind the chair and getting this haircut knocked out bright and early here today. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that back in, put this aside too, so we can see what we got as far as the clipper is concerned. Now for the clipper, here is the Tpob Reaper. I'm really digging this black rubberish type faceplate. Got the black lever and the black on and off switch. It does have a silver blade on it, and this is going to be looking like a fade blade. But we're gonna go ahead and get this behind the chair, see what it chops like. I am gonna zero gap the clipper just because it's gonna make it easier for me to transition from the trimmer to the actual clipper. But there it is. I'll go ahead and turn this on. We got the blue LED indicator light on there. Turns red when it needs to be charged. So looking forward, it's very powerful. I'm looking forward to using this behind the chair. So gonna put all this aside here and dive underneath what we got under this little foam piece here. So now underneath this foam, we got more contents in this box right here. It's a little flip box. We got a user manual for the Mini Skull. We got 4 guards in here. You got the number 2, number 3, number 4 guard. We got a 1 guard there. We got multiple cleaning brushes, which your boy is probably gonna use for some color enhancement, but there you go. Different cleaning brushes. And all 3 charging cords for the all the different tools. So you got the charging cord for the clipper, you got the charging cord for the shaver, and the actual Ghost X. So I'm gonna throw all that back in there because I do have cords already and get those charged up. and use them behind the chair. What's good, everybody? So we're going to get to the demonstration portion of this video here. You can see here I'm knocking everything down to a number 2 guard. The yellow guard is a number 2, the gray guard is a 1.5, the red guard is a 1 guard, and the black guard is a half guard. Now, I'm not going to do a tutorial, so to speak, but I just wanted to give you guys those guard colors so you can kind of follow along with where the video is going. But I just want to use this time to go over my overall review of these clippers. They are professional. They are for professional use. I am a professional barber behind the chair day in and day out, and these clippers perform very well. They can easily be used for any type of hair texture. For this specific hair texture, my brother is half Asian, half Native American, which to me are two of the most difficult hair textures there are to fade. Reason being, their hair texture is very, it can be thick, but the hair sticks out straight, and you can really see any fallacies in the fade if you do not do it correctly. Now you can see me just attacking this haircut with ease. It wasn't very difficult at all to use these clippers. I would equate the clippers to like a wall magic clip, or maybe a Rebel or something of that nature. That's the way it holds in the hand. That's about the size of the clipper and about the same power as those clippers. Now the blade that I'm using is a fade blade, and I did zero gap the blade to transition from the trimmer length to the actual clipper, and everything was easily accessible. The guards fit on right. When I zero gapped the clipper, they weren't biting. It was just overall easy to use. I would highly recommend this to anybody that is in the market for a new clipper, trimmer, shaver set. You can get this for $109.99 GBP, which equates to about 138 USD. If you use my promo code Jayblends, you could save yourself 15% off the entire purchase at thepissedoffbarber.com. So I would highly recommend using that promo code to save you some money. 15% off is a good bit of money off if you think about it. It's not just some 5%, 10% discount. 15%, it really does make a difference when you get to that checkout portion of the haircut. But the edge up here, you can see it's lining up extra crispy. I did not zero gap these trimmers. That is exactly how they came out the box, but that is the overall haircut right there. I highly recommend this to anybody who's in the market. Whether you're at home, whether you're a garage barber, whether you're a parent cutting up children, or any of that nature, go out and try these clippers for yourself. You cannot beat the price. Like I said, 138 USD. If you save 50% off, it'll bring that total down even more. So go check them out at thepissedoffbarber.com. You can also look down in the link below. There's an Amazon link as well for more TPOB tools. But I appreciate everybody for clicking on this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn your post notifications. Until next time, God bless.